Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Dinelec. Pinasa kay jersey number 11. Tumira ng 3. Burger. Jersey number 7. Nasundot ng kalaban. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, pass to jersey number 5. Burger. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 1. Dinelec. Pass to jersey number 5. Tumira ng 3. Burger. Iba ba? Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni jersey number 12. Jersey number Burger. Jersey number 2. Tumira ng 3. Burger. Rebound. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 by jersey number 1. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 1 again. Pass to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 5. Dinelec. Pass to jersey number 1. Tumira ng 3. Burger. Jersey 12. Tapasok sa kalaban. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 11. Basket. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 11. Tumira ng 3. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 7. Tumira ng 3. Ayun. Bumakat. Last ball. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 11 to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pinidiretso ang bola. Pinasa kay jersey number 1. Burger. Nakuha ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 nagmamadali. Basket. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 11. Tumira ulit ng 3. 2-7. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 11, jersey number 5, jersey number 2. Tumira ng 3. Burger. Nakuha ng jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Foul. Counter. Jersey number 2, first personal foul. First foul. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 2. Dinelec to jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 yung diretso. Nabitawan ng bola. Same ball. 9 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 5 pass to jersey number 2. Burger. Nakuha yung jersey number 1. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 versus jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Sinira to win. Jersey number 2 versus jersey number 7. To win for jersey number 7. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11 versus jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 pasok sa kalaban. Jersey number 7. Forward. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 pinasa. Jersey number 2 passes. 25.
Traveling red! Traveling! Lalako red!
Jersey number 4 versus jersey number 3. Jersey number 7. Forward. Jersey number 9 versus jersey number 7. Jersey number 3 versus jersey silver. Last is wrong. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 9 and jersey number 10 to jersey number 3 no good. Jersey number 3 versus jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 basket. Jersey number 7 versus jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 nabitawan. Jersey number 2 versus jersey number 4. Jersey number 4 repeated forward. Now jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 versus 2 by jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 versus jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 basket.
Abol din abol.
Ito bunso niya yan.
Jersey number 7. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 7. 8 seconds left now. Jersey number 3. Versus still by jersey number 4. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 4. David! Nakuha ni jersey number 8. Versus jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 versus jersey number 7. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. No good. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Pasok. Out of bounds.
Okay lang, baba. Bawi.
Ikaw. Jersey number 3, diniretso, no good. Nakuha ni jersey number 10, jersey number 10, no good again. Jersey number 10 again. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, jersey number 10. Uy, nakuha ni jersey number 10 din. Jersey number 8, jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, basket.
Hindi ka basic, gumagamit ang banda. Hindi yung putang ano, kala mo, miss ka natin.
Hindi tayo, lalo ng record mo. Kahit sa camera ka, sa basic dapat mo.
Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. And jersey number 7. No good. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Uy, ingat po. Jersey number 10. Tumulong. No good. Jersey number 1. Rebound. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 3. Dinidiretso. Pinasa sa jersey number 1. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 to jersey number... Rebound by jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 1. Minute. Foul. Jersey number 7. First person of foul. First team foul. Sana. Shane Tabor, 1 point lead. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Stop. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. First person of foul, second team foul. Eighteen seconds remaining time. Oh, out of ball. Talaga po. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. No good. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. No good again. Wala na po. And a first quarter. Official score 19-17. Favor of Team Jersey. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 5 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Malayo siya na. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 5. Tumuran, Nogo nakuha ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 2. Pinalik, jersey number 1. Very good. Same. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Nakuha ni jersey number 5. Nakuha ulit ni last score. Bana na po, madalas na po ang court, tumuulan na. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 2 to jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 pass to jersey number 12. Nakuha ni jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pinasa kay jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 11. Over. Walang highlight. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 12. Over. Nakuha rin jersey number 10. Foul. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Second personal foul. First foul. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 8. 2. Isbago. 2. Foul. Jersey number 2. Jersey number. Jersey number 2, second personal foul. Second team foul. Ano po ang committee? Igagawin iba.
Sana ang comedy ay nandito.
Walang pumasok. Kayong ano ko ba? Helmet ko ba? Jersey number 1, back to jersey number 2 to jersey number 5. Tumira na 3. Nogo. Nakuha ni jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 11 to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Taking on Nogo. Nakuha ni jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Nabitawan ng bola. Nakuha ni jersey number 6. Pinasa. Nakuha ni jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. David Carter. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Binalik. Jersey number 5 for 3. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 1. No good again. Nakuha ni jersey number 5. Pinasa kay jersey number 2. Look shot. No good. Rebound. Last ball.
AJ, tayo mo yung pwesto mo. Hindi kasi
Jersey number 5. 2. Oh, 21. Pass to jersey number 2, pinalik to jersey number 5, to jersey number 11. Forward. Foul, jersey number 12. First personal foul, first foul. Wala daw.
kalaban natin dito.
Nawa ka na yung Leon ah. Basket. May highlights ka na. Jersey number 11. First is jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 11 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 6, no good. Nakuha ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, dumidiscard na din nasa kay Lele pang highlights. No good.
Uy, DJ ka!
Jersey number 11 to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 11 to jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 12. Palpa, ito, jersey number 11. Nakuha ni jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, dumidirat niya. Binata ang bola. Chamber.
Ayan, si Coach! Ayan. Coach, si Paul! Ay, Coach Jumbo. Ayan mo. Ayan mo.
Jersey number 1. Over. Jersey number 12. Very good. Nakuha ng jersey number 12. Pinasa kay jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 tumira ng tres. Ingat po kayo dyan. Basa-basa.
Bro, iwan ka, bro! Dendel, si Mako. Uy, naawas na. Maganda yung boss namin dito. Wala ka. Kaya ka kasi. Uy!
Ayun na, ayun na.
Yan na.
Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 1. To jersey number 7 again. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Pinasa kay jersey number 1. Tumira. Napalipal na jersey number 5. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Judith Carte. Pinasa sa kalaban. Nakuha ni jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Flat of goal. Jersey number 8, jersey number 10, no goal. Jersey number 3. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 4, nabitawan ng bola, Chamber.
Ayun o, Yo. Wala, ayaw mo daw go eh.
Nakuha, rebound by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Nakuha. Nawala.
Martin!
Maroon ball.
Sipag naman yan, sipag.
Bon!
Jersey number 3. Binigay kay jersey number 5. Tulo. Tulo binigay kay MJ. MJ pinabuti. Ito. Steal by jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Steal ulit kay jersey number 10.
Iwalay!
Bobon. Binigay kay MJ. MJ! Time out! Latter. 17 seconds to shoot. Maroon ball. Bobon. Pinta sa kayong Steve kay Manalo. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 4. Ay, 4. Jersey number 4. Jersey number 4. Basic. First personal foul. Third team foul. Manalo. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Binigay kay jersey number 3. Tulad naman. Okay. So good. Out of bounds. Martin. Martin binababa. For 2. No good. Rebound by jersey number 7. Basket shot. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1 ang nahalap ng dito. Binagay. Jersey number 8. Tumanalo ito Lagman. Lagman. 8 for 3. 3. Jersey number 8. Bobon. Bobon binigay. Pinasa kay Martin. Martin to MJ. MJ. For 2. No good rebound. Latters ball.
Lan! Nababangon kayo na Lan!
Ibulan. Aura. Rebound by jersey number 10. Costume jersey number 8. Martin. Foul. Foul. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. First personal foul. Third team foul. Third team. Bobon. Latters ball.
Time out!
Jersey number 1. Jersey number 7 for 3. Time out. Team basic.
Bola, Jay!
Jay, bola!
Maroon ball. So MJ.
Simulang, baba, gawin mo na,
MJ. Martin. Martin ang napapasahan. May papasa ba? Foul jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. 8 first personal foul, 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Bobon. Binigay kay Martin. Martin naghahanap ng papasahan. Out of bounds. Maroon. Latters ball. Binigay kay Manalo. Binigay kay Lagman. Lagman, aura for two. Basket. Martin. Steal. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Pinagarenso. Jersey number 1. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. To 7 for 2. Basket. Martin. To Lance. Lance to Flo. Flo, jersey number 5. 14 seconds to shoot. Bobo. 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation. Purple ball.
Uy!
Purple ball. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 for 2. No good. Rebound. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Dinediretso. To Bobon. Bobon for 2. Foul. Counted. Foul. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. Basket down. Ito number 1. 7 seconds. Martin Sergey. Basket. Aras. And the second quarter.
No. Ron!
Marin ball. Third pa lang yan. Tignan mo ah. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 2 for the 3. No basket. Rebound. Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey 5.
Ano, Justin, hindi ka na daw pwede maglaro kasi late ka daw. Hindi ka pumasok ng 3 seconds. Dapat daw pumasok ka ng 7. Dapat daw pumasok ka ng 2nd.
I'm very sorry.
Kahit pala pumasok na siya agad.
Pass to jersey number 11.
Swimming talaga, wala talaga.
Steal. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 2. Steal. Pass to jersey number 5. To 9. Pass to jersey number 2. To 5. Trouble violation. Alvin yung bola ako yung dribble dyan. Ito yan, bili mo. Mamaya, wait lang.
Martin, ikaw mo tempe, Martin! Ayun na o!
Foul. Foul, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2.
Ito ba, natitira mo naman eh. Nakapos ka lang. Makukuha mo rin yan.
Jersey number 2 for personal foul. First team foul. No good. Rebound, just like the guy that no good again.
Same ball, same ball.
Same ball. For the team, shot clock.
Layo.
Here. Tinakbo. Steal, just number 2. Number 2. No good. Rebound, jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 9. Basket. Remaining time, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. And contest, foul, jersey number
Oh,
12. Jersey number 12. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
Hindi may nagdadala ng bola. Huwag ka na sumundot. Ilangin mo lang.
No good. Rebound, jersey number 9.
Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 11. No good. Rebound, jersey number 11.
Pass to jersey number 2. Basket. Our official score is 39-35 in favor of Maroon. Pass to jersey number 2. No good. Rebound, jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 2. Crumple. Purple ball. Substitution.
Kasi ano mo laro ako ng
Pass to jersey number 5 for the three. Basket. Pass to jersey number 5 for Cookie. No good. Steal, jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 1. Steal, jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 3. Pinang ball. Out of bounds. Purple ball. Our official score is 39-38, 1.2 Maroon. Basket, jersey number 2. Number 2 sumalaksak, sinasa number 10, Nugget. Number 10, Nugget again. Rebound, jersey number 8. Number 8, basket. Number 1, Tinakbo, sumalaksak. Basket. Official score is 42-41. 1.3 team shelter. Passengers number 8. Double. Passengers number 2. Just number 2, passengers number 5 to 10 to 2 to 10. 8 seconds shot clock. Traveling violation.
Dapat di mo sinabi. Depensa!
Passenger number 7 to 2. Passenger number 8 at isa lang to sorry. Basket. Number 2. Passenger number 1. To 7. 7 sumalaksak. Basket. Official score is 44-43. 1.3 is the offer. Remaining time, 40 minutes and 56 seconds. No good. Rebound, jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 1. Out of bounds. Jersey number 1. For the 3. No good. Pass to jersey number 2.
Sa'yo na yan!
Foul. Foul. Foul, jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, third personal foul. Third team foul. Steal. Basket, jersey number 7. Official score, 46-43. 3-point lead, Islander.
Ayun na!
2. For the 3, basket. Cutting ball. Shot pala. Sorry. Committee timeout.
Martin, cashier ka dyan.
Namumuli.
Aseng. Kaya mo yan eh, kaya mo yan. Kapilok kaya yung pilok. Huwag ka na maglaro kasi.
Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. To 7. To 8. 10 seconds shot clock. No break.
Sino mo si Nick tsaka si MJ?
Our official score is all 46. Same ball. Remaining time 3 minutes and 33 seconds.
Martin, pasok mo sa gitna, Martin ha. Wala, Dele! Dele! Shoot pass! No!
Babe. Pass to jersey number 5. 6 seconds shot clock. No good. Rebound, jersey number 3. No good again.
Dele, Martin! Yun!
Good.
Ayun na, ayun na!
Foul. Foul, jersey number 1. What? Jersey number 1. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Basket. Jersey number 5. Basket.
Ano mo, i-pick up mo?
Pass to jersey number 1. 5 to 11. It's 7 on the line.
Time out, time out, time out, time out!
Timeout. Back to the ballgame. Hey.
Huwag kang matakot! Andito si Justin! Dito lang ako pa! Huwag kang matakot! Dito lang ako! Huwag kang matakot dito!
Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 7 to 11. Sumalaksa. Oh. Foul, jersey number 11. Sorry. Correction, kaya pa pala. Sige lang, umupo ka na. Foul, jersey number 11.
Challenge, Cherilyn number 11. Ball possession, 2 points.
Two shots. O, tagay na yan, tagay. Ang score.
Yoy. Le! Possession lang po.
One possession, may ano, free throw dalawa.
Full possession. Last po eh.
Mag-isa pa ni Ariel, tatanggalin daw siya. Pag, ano?
Ano?
Isa mo pang gano'n.
No good.
Uwi ka na raw, Le, kaya ganun.
Transfer.
Ben, may timeout pa kami, Le. May timeout. Baka muna, Martin, baka yun.
Pass to jersey number 10. Proceed. No good. Diba? Ay. Our remaining time is 1 minute and 52 seconds. No good.
Martin, disyarte mo, Martin!
12 seconds shot now. Basket. Official score is 50-49 and 1-2 Offensive foul. Foul, jersey number 10.
Stop.
Second personal foul. Third team foul. Remaining time 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Luwag!
Basket. Remaining time 58 seconds. Take it up, Fluffy. Basket. Official score is 2-15. 1.2 basic. Remaining time
Martin, check mo lang!
50 seconds. Pass to jersey number 7. Steal, jersey number 2. Basket. Remaining time, 30 seconds. Remaining time, 14 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Basket.
Dam! Nabiti tayo.
Official score is 56.
Kalmado ka lang kasi. Huwag mo yung ano. Pag binigyan ka, tsaka ka lang bumawi, bigyan mo yung na. Hindi yung ano. Team! Arking!
Oy,
Hindi siya bitawan eh. Hindi niya binitawan eh.
pass to jersey number 10. No good. Rebound, jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 1. To 14, to 2. Basket.
Abang lang, Jay! Abang lang!
Jersey number 1. Corroborating violation. Foul. Foul, jersey number 10. First personal foul. First team foul. No good. Foul, jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. Third personal foul. First team foul. Official score 58-50 in favor of Basic. Pass to jersey number 2 for the 3. No good. Rebound, jersey number 10. To the hole. To the hole. No good. Rebound, jersey number 10. Pass to jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 3.
Sayo Martin! Sayo Martin! Sayo Martin!
Pass to jersey number 10.
Ay!
No good. Foul, jersey number 1. Jersey number 1.
Sayang yung aming bobol.
First personal foul, second team foul. Basket.
Doy!
Basket again. Official score is 60-50 in favor of Daisy. Pass to jersey number 5. Basket. No good. Rebound, jersey number 11. Basket. Goal!
Ay, no!
Basket.
Abang ng bola, abangan mo lang.
First number 5, sumalaksa. Sumasa sa number 8. Pass to the number 5, basket. Pass to the number 5. 7, no good. To 4, basket. Pass to the number 8. Same ball. Time out. Basic. 64-56. In favor of Basic. Backcourt. Foul. Foul, jersey number 2. Jersey number 2. Third, personal foul. Second, team foul. Foul, jersey number 2. The 7. The 7, the 2. Foul, jersey number 8. No good. Jersey number 7. No good. Foul, jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Shot down, 57. Shot down. Ang kanina, boy. Pass to jersey number 7. 5 for the 3. Double. Rebound, jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 2. Yeah. Jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. Double. Double again. Rebound, jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 5. 12 seconds shot up. Foul, Shasty. Jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 5, basket! Foul, jersey number 2, jersey number 4, second personal foul, jersey foul, Rabata!
Diyan! Inaway mo yun. Diyan! Diyan! Screen! Screen! Babali! Babali!
8 seconds shot clock. Number. Timeout! No more timeout, basic ka. No more timeout. Ginamit ko yung istilan kanina.
Ayun, sabi oh. Oh, slasher na tayo mo, di ba? Kanina? Slasher! Slasher! Pa kami.
Basket! Official score is 63-61. 5 minutes. Basic. Pass to jersey number 12 to number 5. No good. Rebound jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 7 to 3 for 2. Jersey number 1. Pass to no good. Rebound jersey number 1. No good again. Rebound jersey number 3.
Let's go!
Jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 8. To 7. Basket. Official score 66-62. Super 10. Basic. Okay. Basket. Jersey number 8. Official score 66-65. 1
Hey!
Idol.
Nene!
Ano yun?
Remaining time 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Point 3, double, steal, double there. Yeah, steal, loaded. Rebound, jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 1. To 7. Steal, jersey number 7. Basket. Our official score 67, 66, 1 Basket. Foul. Foul, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Second personal pass. Fourth, team foul. One for penalty.
Mataki tayo, penalty tayo.
Official score, 67-66.
Salaksakan mo, penalty sila.
1-15 Slaughter. For the three, no good. Third ball. Remaining time, 1 minute and 21 seconds. 14 shot clock.
Hoy!
Jordan, ano yung score?
67-66. Basket. One for Substitution. Remaining time, 37 seconds. One by 18 bases. 15 seconds. 13 seconds. Foul, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Time out. Our remaining time, 9 seconds. Never. For the first attack. Second attack. Never. Possibility. 5 seconds. Number 8. Same ball. Purple ball. Congratulations, Team Basic.